My name is Pete Mornings with Ecological Energy Systems, and we've installed over 30 solar systems, primarily with Maage, and they had partnered with Solarbridge and came up with a AC panel that is very quick to install. We've installed them on dairy barns, different applications. This is a ground-mounted situation here, 15 kW, and the installations go very quick.
Well, the install on these, I mean, it's the easiest thing I've ever put in. You know, installing a panel with an inverter already on it, it's, you know, quite simple.
On my roof, I have 40 panels. They are flat, they are discreet, they are low profile. They're really unobtrusive. People don't always know what they're looking at when they first come up. They're looking at older clunky systems that stood at odd angles and they don't realize how efficient these are. So I can produce 10 kilowatts on 40 very discrete panels, and it's exciting. I love watching my meter go round. The simple pleasures in life. It's a self-contained plug-in system. There's no huge wires, conduits, anything going anywhere. It's so clean. It plugs in. If there's a problem, you can fix one little piece. You don't have to tear apart all of your panels to fix one piece.
Now, these are the microinverters installed under the panels. They turn the DC power into AC power right there, and it goes out into the panel box and out to the grid. We don't have to do anything when we get in the field. Everything's pre-attached, and then we just plug it into a trunk cable, and you know, the guys are out of there. Typically, it cuts our installation time in half. Also, with the AC panels, you can see the wires are very clean. There's no wires hanging everywhere, and it's very easy to maintain your wire management.
We've got a perfect place there for it. It's out of the way, it's not all obtrusive and all that kind of stuff.
The AC panel is especially great because you can see each panel when you look at the monitoring. You can see if there's a deficiency with the panel or the inverter. It's great because you can see any shading issues. You can know that you need to trim a tree, cut the grass if it's a ground mount situation. But you can actually see each panel, what it's producing, and make sure that you're getting what you paid for. It reports to the internet every 5 minutes. You can get up-to-date information anytime you want on your smartphone, web browser, on anything. You can check into it.
I'm looking at probably a 5-year payback on this, and just as a business it makes extraordinary economic sense to do that and free up that income and start generating income. So.
Well, it's very important because they're making an investment, and they want it to be a one-time investment that they don't have to keep throwing money in. So this is a one-time investment. Once the return is made, then they enjoy the free power for the rest of their lives. We've been very successful with it. Solar, the price of solar is half of what it was 3 years ago when we got into it. The investment makes sense, and a lot of people are taking that leap.